You have to remove this part first. It just has clips around the bezel. So it comes off of the console. And this piece also has clips. But it has two screws here, some other two down here after you take the centerpiece. And when you pull it out, you're gonna have two connectors on the back. This one here and this one here. Then you're gonna have to remove the radio. It's got 4 screws on each side. They go here. Once you remove that, you can pull it out of the way, and then the HVAC controls have 4 here, 4 here. But you'll notice that it won't come out because it's stuck. You have to push it in, tilt it, and bring this side out first, and then tilt it out that way. But it has 2 cables, 2 manual cables that you have to disconnect. One of them is down here. It connects to that where is it? That little piece that you see there, that little white cylinder. You have to disconnect the cable from there. And it has another cable. Where is that one at? Okay. The other cable will be stuck on that little clip right there. And the little wire piece will be on this arm over here. Sorry, doing this kind of fast. Next to that sensor, I can't see it, but that second wire goes that way, and it clips onto that little clip. Once you unclip it, you can pull it out with like some pliers underneath here. Once you get those 2 wires unclipped, you can pull out like this, Okay, hope that helps.